In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the reminders list on QuickBooks Online. This will take about 5 minutes and we'll walk through each step to ensure you can easily follow along. First things first, navigate to the main page and look for the sign in button. You'll typically find this somewhere visible on your screen, inviting you to access your QuickBooks account. So go ahead and click on that sign in option. Once there, the next decision point is choosing the platform you want to access. For today's task, we're going to select QuickBooks Online. This option should be clearly marked and shouldn't be too hard to find. Ensure that you select the correct option that pertains to QuickBooks Online specifically, as it might be grouped with other QuickBooks services. Next, let's focus on inputting your credentials. This is a crucial step, so make sure to double check accuracy as you type in your login information. After you've carefully entered your username and password, hit the continue button. This will take you farther into your account, and you should now see your QuickBooks dashboard. From the dashboard menu, we're now going to head to the transactions section. You may find this tab lying somewhere in the main navigation area. Click on transactions to proceed. This part of the platform allows you to handle various financial aspects of your business, and it's essential for managing your books. Now that you're in the transactions area, it's time to delve into the next specific section, which is recurring transactions. Again, this will be among the options presented under transactions. So search for the recurring transactions link or tab and give it a click. As you explore this area, you might find a list of transactions that automatically recur at scheduled intervals. Finally, once you're in the recurring transactions section, what we're really interested in today is the reminder list. This should be a straightforward find here, so click on reminder list. And just like that, you should now see the list pop up on your screen. Remember, if you run into any hiccups along the way, make sure to double check that your credentials are correct and that you're in the correct section within QuickBooks. It's all about taking your time and following these steps carefully. By doing so, you can quickly and easily manage the reminder side of your QuickBooks Online account, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've accessed your reminders list on QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful guides and tips on using QuickBooks Online effectively.